Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Watch 3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find the settings icon, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called battery saver mode, and once you find it, tap on it, and here we can enable the power saving mode by tapping on the switch next to power saving mode, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the mode will be enabled. And that's how it looks like. You basically have access to battery life, time and date, and that's about it. The rest of the features are suspended. And if you want to go back to the normal mode, you need to press and hold the crown button. So basically, to disable the power saving mode, you need to press and hold the crown button, keep holding it until you see the normal watch face, like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.